I buy and sell books. I came across this book 2 weeks ago, and I've had it valued, and it's worth a minimum of €200. But this book is evil. It's a lie. And symbolically, because of what's happening in the world today, I'm going to burn this book because it's evil. This man was evil, but he was actually controlled by the same people who control the world now, in my opinion. The imperial royal family. The Jewish people had nothing to do with the economic collapse of Germany. It was because of a treaty which was signed in Versailles, France, the home of one of the kings, the last king of France. And that treaty meant that the German economy had to collapse. And then it came along Adolf in this evil book and blamed the Jewish people. At this moment, I ask the Jewish soldiers to put their arms down, and the Muslim soldiers of Hamas to put their arms down, and ask their leaders' children to come and do the fighting. Donald Trump's children to come and do the fighting. And all of the evil people who are behind this evilness against the Jewish and the Muslim people. Now I'm going to burn this book, because that's where it belongs, because there's evil turning people's minds against the Jewish people to kill them under false lies. Something else, please. Let this evilness burn symbolically to whatever created us.